Good morning. Oh, it's already warmed up. I put on pants today. I did a little volunteering this morning in the park on a committee I'm on. And back, it's just now like 10 o'clock in the morning, and I need to go put on shorts. It's already, it's already warm. Yeah, so she wanted it in the camper, so I put her in the camper. Now she's like, I don't want to be in the camper. You're outside. So I'm going to go get her, put on some shorts. But I finished my kitchen island buffet thing. I can't remember if I filmed that yesterday. I hit a wall, and getting up and down is like my hips and backwards bother me. So it's like I quit and didn't do a lot after that. So I think it took me about 5 hours to put together. So let me show you what it looks like. Tonight's cook with me, so I have to get that all ready for cooking tonight. So let me show you what it looks like. All right, there it is. And I think I did show you because I was talking about that cart. So I'm still out on thinking what I'm going to do with that cart. I may move this down, put this over here, put this bookcase over here. Yeah, I got to live with it for a little while, and then might have to rearrange. But there it is. So I like it. I like it a lot. It's got these drawers. One drawer. And then my cabinets. And I just put stuff in there. This is all temporary right now. But anyway, that is what I got in there now. Yeah. All right. Let me show you. So I did in a video, I don't know, several days ago about reorganizing my workshop area. So that's still a work in progress. I'll go over there and show you kind of what that looks like right now, because it's still a work in progress. I don't know that it's changed a lot in this area, but I've taken some things off the shelf and hung up, like showed you I was going to put stuff on the walls. So I'm rearranging a little bit at a time, but it still needs a lot of work. a lot of work. So it's coming along. Good morning. I am sitting at my card table. We play games here almost every night. Sometimes we sit outside. Sometimes we sit in here and play games. I've got some not blueberry muffins, banana bread muffins. And Sammy says, I want to come. Hang on. Come on. Come. Good girl. She says, I'm breaking the law. Did you see me break the law? Did you see me break the law? Yeah, I turn on the camera every time, and she says, I want to talk too. Don't you? Yes. So, on Cook With Me last night, I ran out of coconut oil, so put that down first thing this morning. Just working on a grocery list. I needed brown sugar for my muffins. And I know this is a thing. How do you keep brown sugar from becoming a brick? They say put it in a tight container. So I buy one of those special tight containers. It's like you put the lid down and it, makes it sealed, makes it airtight. No, it's a brick. So then I'm like, how do you make it? I've heard put it in the microwave, so I did that. Put it in the microwave with a damp cloth. That took forever. And I just had to scrape it. So what do y'all put your brown sugar in? So So I am down to, I scraped the bottom, so I had to put brown sugar on my list. I'm thinking canning jar. I don't know. What do y'all put it in? Canning jar, shouldn't that be, but there's gonna be moisture, and then they say put bread in there. I don't know. Y'all put in the comments below, how do you handle your brown sugar without it making it become a brick? And then unusable, mostly. All right, let's go check on the muffins. They are not done yet, but getting close. Shh. You came in, did you? Okay, hang on. You came in, so you need a tea? Okay, hang on. They're getting brown now. And this is the hard part. Because this tray they don't look done though, do they? No. Not done yet. Tray fits snugly. How about now? They look done now, don't they? Yeah. Okie dokie. Then I have some more to cook after this. I'll never get 12 out of this. Huh. I'm gonna get 12 this time. We have a calf in the park. Oh. He's running down to his house.